She lives in. She lives in. She lives.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Raylyn, and today I'm going to show you guys how I take down my mini twists. If you would like to see how I installed these mini twists, be sure to check out my last video. Starting off, I'm using my spray bottle to lightly wet my twists before I take them down. Next, I'm going to go in with my moisture-rich hair and scalp oil by Rev Air, and I'm going to apply that to the shaft of my twist. In order to achieve that round fro shape that I like my twist out to fall into, I like to put my hair up in a ponytail and actually pull the twist down from there as I take them down. I start by unraveling each twist from the end. I'm really taking my time in the back section because I did start the back twist off with a plait, and I also don't want to disturb the curl pattern that I'm getting from the twist out too much by working too fast. I typically keep my mini twists in for about 1 to 3 weeks. This particular set of mini twists only lasted about a week and a half, and one of those reasons is because I did catch COVID, unfortunately, and another reason, I mistakenly put some oil on my scalp, thinking that I'm doing a good thing, knowing good and well that I never put oil on my scalp, and it resulted in my scalp being extremely itchy. So wash day came way earlier than planned. You'll probably actually see me in the video scratching at my scalp because it was just such a relief to be able to do that freely without worrying about messing up my twists. The moral of the story is, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. this is what I'm left with once I take all of the twists out. On a normal day, I'll leave it like this and just let it get bigger over time, but this only lasted for the day, so I figured, you know, why not give it a little bit more life? So I'm actually gonna go in with my pick and pick at the roots a little bit before I go in with my Rev-Air to stretch it. In small sections, I'm using my Rev-Air on low heat tension setting 2 for 5 seconds. I only want a little bit of stretch with this look because I don't want to compromise the curl pattern, and I just work too hard to get those curly ends. Overall, it came out really cute. I feel like the more I do mini twists, the more I take my time with taking them down, the better they look. Unfortunately, it started and it ended here, but typically I would wear this out and let it expand over the week. If you made it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you for watching and see you later.